Hello guys, this is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna introduce this fresh market on wheel, vegetable and fruit truck. Let's take a quick walk around here. The body of the truck is made of galvanized sheet and foamy resin. It is a good material for heat preservation and insulation. And it is friendly. It is environmental friendly because it is totally recycled, and the biggest advantage of it is it can reduce the weight of the truck, so it can save the battery power. And the windows, you can see there are several windows on each side of the truck, and the windows are made of 5mm tempered glass, and the tempered glass is safer, tougher, and crystal clear. And here we can see the body, the pattern on the truck body, and it is customizable. You can send your logo or any pattern to us, and we can design it for you. And it is totally free. We can do the traditional printer, and we can do the UV printer. Here on the roof, it is the lighting box, and as you can see, it is customizable too. You can change the content. For example, it is showing fruits now, but you can change it into Jenny's Fresh Market, or you can change it into a banana or a pineapple. We can do anything you want. And here it is the business window. You can see there are totally 24 boxes here, and the boxes are made of wood and with high quality. You can pull the shelves out when you're on business and pull it back when you finish work. And here is the charger. You can charge your truck here, and the battery you can run for 2 hours each time you get it fully charged, and the speed of the truck is 25 km/h. Okay, let's take a walk inside. Here is the driving room. You can drive it easily like a real car, but since I can drive, I won't show it to you. And here it is the cashier's desk. You can put some little items on it. For example, your bottles or your umbrella and etc. And here there are also some shelves and boxes to put your goals. And the inner space is large enough for your business and for your normal activities. And here is the stainless working bench. Inside the working bench, there are 2 water tanks, one for fresh water and one for wastewater. And of course, you can change it into a refrigerator if you want to. You can change your refrigerator to put your fruits and vegetables. And the material of the inner wall is polyvinyl chloride, and the floor is a plastic floor, but you can change it into a stainless floor if you want. All the equipment inside are customizable. You can just choose the equipment, depends on your business. And that's all. Thank you for watching. This truck is for sale and it is available. If you have any questions, you can email me. That's all. Thank you.